That is not a supercar.
What's with all the RDB?
What are you doing?
Why is there so many RDB?
Good morning, guys.
What up?
Doing another rally.
Out here for new rally.
New
Monterey
rally
Car
2023. Let's
Yes,
go.
you know,
About to go to Monterey. New rally.
Yeah.
You know the vibes.
Yeah,
Look what we whipping today. Look how the paint is just leaking off that mug. We got the fellas ready. We got this bit cleaned up. Say hi, fellas.
That's it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's it.
I get it, man. Look at this guy. He's telling us to go. Right? Yeah. Look at all of our twins here.
Dude, nah.
Two white SVJs just rolled together. Oh, really? That's awesome. Shut your whore mouth.
Gonzalez has handed over the whiskey. If you don't need the whiskey, you can leave it.
For some reason, I really like these cars.
That one does have two.
This is truly special. Look at this at. You guys can see this in person. It would be unreal. So check it out. We're here an hour, maybe an hour and a half after the quail has ended, but we're still checking out these cars.
Yeah, the McLaren's soulless. You can just see it from here.
This is very interesting. Paint job. And then we have Solus up there. So this is actually really cool. Dude, this can't shoot. So check it out. Remember when I showed you guys this side? My drunk ass didn't even see that it had these Johns on the outside. There's literally 2 different style wheels on each side. That is wild. Also, that is wild. No, I'm just kidding. See, we got these in the light. This is the best time to come to Quail. At the very end. All right?
They had that on the console on like 2 years ago. Yeah, we walked down here. It's a twin
Connor, where'd your drink go? Fuck you, cunt. Like cigarettes ASAP. No, rock. So we got into Pebble Beach, of course. Out here filming. Oh. It is unreal here. The weather is perfect, sunny but windy. Oh my lord. Coleman, come check these out. That is awesome. That is awesome. What a day.
So much young, but they very well. And they wore the number 45, which you can see before you.
This is Santa's chariot.
Thank you so much for bringing it all the way from Switzerland.
Unreal.
And the winner of this class in first place.
We have like literal like motorcycles.
Oh my god, yeah.
This
is like a cartoon car.
From Monaco.
Everything is so exemplified and big. I'd be so scared to drive this back then. I don't care what you say.
You should have seen the face.
Was it not? This is crazy. Look at the color of this. You know, although, oh my god.